Hey everybody, it's Krista, Ashley, and Shay. We're here at Riverbend and we have Marlee's baseball litter. And this is our navy collared boy. This is Yankee. He is a beautiful light blonde puppy boy. He's got a beautiful shaggy wavy curly coat. And let me see his face, baby. He's got that nice wide teddy bear face, and they're all kind of sleepy now, but he is a super cute little guy. I expect him to weigh between, I think he'll probably hit 30 pounds for sure. What do you have there?
Purple.
Purple! We have, that's Fenway. She is our pretty little red girl. And she's the smaller of the group. Somebody down there is getting sassy. And she has a really pretty, nice little red coat. And she has that sweet little teddy bear face as well. She likes to be cuddled and loved, and she loves to give kisses. Who do you have now?
Red.
Red. This is Miller. He is a boy. And he is a pretty little apricot male. And once again, they've got that beautiful little shaggy wavy coat going on. Can you turn him around for us so we can see? There you go. Look at that tail. Pretty, pretty puppy. All right. Who you got going on next?
Great.
Gray. That's Dodger, another little boy, and he is a good sized boy too. I expect him to hit the 30 to 35 pretty easy. Nice coat, nice teddy bear face, super cute. What do you got now? This is my toy.
Orange.
All right, this is Orange. This is a little boy. Beautiful light blonde color. Let me see. Good shaggy wavy coat. Let me see his sweet face. He's got the sweetest little face. Can you turn him this way a little bit, please? There. Absolutely gorgeous. Those tails are just going everywhere.
Yellow.
Yellow. That is Oakland. Pretty little girl. She's a little bit smaller than these big old boys. Super cute. I expect her to be about 25 pounds maybe, full grown. Got the really cute little teddy bear face and features. These guys over here, they're just being a mess.
Rainbow.
Yeah. There's Rainbow. She's one of the bigger girls. Sweet, sweet puppy. Oh, she's very inquisitive. Always looking around to see what's going on. She's got that pretty red coat and that super cute little face. All right. Is that it? What are y'all doing over there? Huh? And that's why we don't do puppy pads, because they like to shred them everywhere.
We've done red, right?
Yes.
Okay, then. You did orange?
Yes, we did orange. They're sleepy. Is that yellow?
Yeah,
Did we
done
do
yellow.
we did yellow? All right. They just want to go back to bed now.
Yeah, they're done.
All right. This is Marlee's baseball litter.